Welcome to Black Note Music Center, and in this video I will be breaking down Lord Overall by ELI-J and LoveWorld singers in the key of G. So I'm going to play the song, then I'll come back for the breakdown. And thank you. That's all for the song. As you can see, the song is very straightforward. Straightforward from 6. So okay, before we start, let's run our major scale on G. So let's know where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is 1. G is our 1, it's our root. Our 2 is A. Our 3 is B. Our 4 is C. Our 5 is D. Our 6 is E. Our 7 is F sharp or G flat. Then G, 8 or 1. So on G we only have one black note, which is, we only have black key, which is F sharp or G flat. So the song starts on the 6th. You can play like this. So on the left, E, B, E. On the right we have B, D, G. If you like, you can add this one, but since it's there, so there's no need. So then 4. Our 4 we have C, G, C. On the right we have C, E, G. Then 1. Our 1 we have G, D, G. On the right we have B, D, G. Again. Then 5. Don't forget I'm playing the melody. So because I'm playing alone. So if you are playing with the someone that is leading, so there's no need to add this one. You can just play like this. That's all. Then so we enter the song. The same thing. Then 6. So what I did there, so then 4, 1, then to 6. So our left stay the same. Why I move this one to just move it to 5. Then I take it back. Again. So it's the same thing. Then you told us to use your name. Then this part. so before there. So 6, never 5, and 4. Instead the confidence we have with so then so you are not going to waste time on this song. It's very straightforward. Then you are so yes. So it's 6, 5, 6, you know 6. Left, right. You can play like this. 5, same thing. So this part. This part. So that's that part. Your name is holy. I'll show you this one. 3, 4 is holy. 5. So that one, that's like that. That's just repeating. So then I declare. So 3, major 3. So on the left we have 3. On the right you can play B, E flat, F sharp. Like that is up. Intro. So that's the piano breakdown for this song. So if this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, with people, and drop your song request in the comments, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day.